In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Todoist project's email address. If you've ever wanted to turn emails into tasks without manually copying and pasting, this is the quickest way to do it. Todoist gives each project a unique email address. Anything you send to that address becomes a task in that project. It's perfect for forwarding important emails, capturing ideas on the go, or getting things into your system when you're away from the app. First, open Todoist and sign in so you're looking at your projects. You can do this on the web or in the desktop or mobile app. The feature works the same, but the buttons may be arranged slightly differently depending on your device. Next, open the specific project where you want emailed tasks to land. At the top right of the project view, look for the three-dot menu. This is the project options menu. Click it, then select the option labeled Email Tasks to this project. Todoist will show you a unique email address that belongs to this exact project. This address is the key to the whole workflow. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. A quick note on what this address does. When an email is sent to it, the email subject becomes the task name and the body of the email becomes the task description. In many cases, attachments are added to the task as well, and you can usually see the original sender information inside the task's details. Exact behavior can vary slightly based on your email client, but the essentials are consistent. Treat this address like something private. Anyone who has it can create tasks in your project. Avoid sharing it publicly and store it somewhere you control. If you ever think it's been exposed, you can manage it again from the same project menu you just used. To make this even smoother in everyday use, consider saving the address as a contact in your email with a clear name, like Todoist, project name. That way, you can type the contact name instead of the full address when forwarding emails. Some people like to star or favorite that contact, so it's always at the top of suggestions. And that's it. You've opened Todoist, navigated to the right project, found the email tasks to this project option, and copied the unique address. Now you're ready to capture tasks straight from your inbox into the exact project where they belong. Repeat the same process for any other projects that need their own email address, and you'll have a streamlined, reliable way to get tasks into Todoist fast.